Hi friends, if your apps are not working properly, notifications are delayed, or some settings feel changed unexpectedly, resetting app preferences can help fix many small system issues without deleting your apps or personal data. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and opening the Settings app. This is where all system controls and app management options are located. Step 2. Scroll down in the Settings menu and tap on Apps. Here you can see all installed applications, permissions, and usage settings on your device. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three vertical dots, More Options icon. This will open an additional menu for advanced app settings. Step 4. From the drop-down list, select Reset App Preferences. This option does not remove your apps, but it restores important settings like disabled apps, notification settings, default apps, background restrictions, and permission limits back to their original state. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Reset or Reset Apps to continue. The process will complete within a few seconds. Once finished, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will refresh all app-related settings. This helps improve performance, fix app errors, and restore missing notifications. After resetting, you may notice some apps working differently at first, but your phone will become more stable and responsive overall, giving you a smoother and more reliable Android experience without any data loss or complicated steps.